Hello everyone! Is your diesel engine struggling to start on cold mornings? Does it misfire or produce excessive white smoke? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0676, cylinder 6 glow plug circuit open, then your glow plug system isn't working correctly. In this video, I'll explain what P0676 means, its symptoms, and most importantly where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0676? The P0676 trouble code stands for Cylinder 6 Glow Plug Circuit Open. Glow plugs help warm up the engine in cold conditions. When the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects a fault in the glow plug circuit for cylinder 6, it triggers P0676, leading to hard starts, rough idling and white smoke from the exhaust. Common symptoms of P0676: check engine light on difficult starting in cold weather. Misfires or rough idling, white smoke from exhaust, reduced fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0676. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0676, check these key parts. Glow plug for cylinder 6. Location: threaded into cylinder 6 on the engine block near the fuel injector. Function: preheats the cylinder to aid ignition. If it fails, the engine will struggle to start in cold conditions. Glow plug control module, GPCM. Location: mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function: regulates voltage to the glow plugs. A faulty module can prevent the glow plugs from functioning. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: monitors the glow plug system and triggers the P0676 code if it detects a fault. Glow plug relay. Location: inside the fuse box or near the engine. Function: supplies power to the glow plugs. If it fails, the glow plugs won't heat up. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the PCM, GPCM and glow plugs. Function: transfers electrical signals. Corrosion or damage can cause an open circuit, triggering P0676. Common causes of P0676 faulty glow plug in cylinder 6. A damaged glow plug won't heat properly, causing cold start issues. Glow plug control module, GPCM. Failure: if defective, it won't supply the correct voltage. Broken or corroded wiring. Damaged wires or loose connections can break the circuit. Glow plug relay failure. A bad relay won't send power to the glow plugs. PCM malfunction. Rarely, a faulty PCM may falsely trigger P0676. How to fix P0676. Step 1. Scan for additional codes. If other glow plug codes appear, inspect the whole system. Step 2. Test the cylinder 6 glow plug. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be around 0.62.0 ohms. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corroded, loose or broken wires and repair them. Step 4. Check the glow plug relay and fuse. Replace them if they fail to send power. Step 5. Test and replace the glow plug control module, GPCM, if needed. If faulty, it won't regulate voltage properly. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0676 can cause hard, cold starts, excessive white smoke, and poor fuel efficiency. Fixing it will keep your diesel engine running smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0606, PCM processor, fault P0607, control module performance error. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.